High Court has dismissed Alliance for Real Change presidential candidate Mohammed Abduba Dida's case challenging the presidential debate. Justice John Mativo dismissed the petition on grounds that it lacked merit. Dida had moved to court seeking to temporarily stop the debate scheduled to take place on the 10th and 24th of this month on grounds that the organizers of the presidential debate had categorized the contenders into two categories: those who had already garnered 5% of popularity as per the opinion polls, and those who have not. Dida's lawyer, Nicholas Orinda, says they're yet to decide on whether to appeal the case or not.
First, respondent explained the basis upon which the guidelines applied were arrived at. I find that the distinction that may have resulted or may arise from the decision was not intentional or aimed at disadvantaging the petitioner. In my view, it was not based on grounds relating to personal characteristics of the individual or of the petitioner or group. There is no sufficient evidence to show that it imposed or had the effect of imposing burdens, obligations, or disadvantage on the petitioner or group of persons. It was not alleged, nor is there anything in the petition to show that the guidelines or the decision in complaint of withholds or limits the petitioner's access to opportunities, benefits, and advantages available to him as a presidential candidate. In fact, no material to this effect was presented before the court. In view of my analysis of the law, the facts and authorities enumerated above, and having fully considered the submissions made by the advocates for both the parties in this case, I find that this petition has no merits and the relief sought are unwarranted. I am not satisfied that the petitioner has proved his case to the required standard. Consequently, I dismiss this petition with the cost to the first respondent.
I want to start the judgment and then seek instructions from my client. Then we decide what to do, on whether we should appeal or not.
Well, we're still waiting for his legal team, whether they're going to appeal that or not. But now let's take a look